In IELTS academic writing task 1, a line graph is in IELTS academic writing task. A line graph is a graphical representation that displays changes or trends over time. It typically consists of an x-axis horizontal representing time periods and a y-axis vertical representing quantities, measurements, or percentages. The lines on the graph show how the data changes over the specified time frame, allowing candidates to allowing candidates to analyze and trends comparisons describe trends comparisons and fluctuations in their written response and fluctuations in for online IELTS Duolingo TOEFL online preparation. Contact me. My WhatsApp number 00923009868704.